In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize frames in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to grab the right handles, and a few simple tips to keep your layouts looking clean as you change sizes. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser or opening the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your files. From the home screen, look to the left sidebar and click All Projects. This view shows the projects that organize your design files, so it's a quick way to get to the file you want to edit. Next, select a project and open it. Inside, choose the design file you're working on. Once the file loads, you'll be on the canvas. Now, click on the frame you want to resize. Frames in Figma act like artboards or containers for your designs, and when a frame is selected, you'll see a bounding box with handles around it. If you're having trouble selecting the right thing because there are elements layered on top, try clicking in the Layers panel on the left or hold a modifier key to cycle through overlapping layers until the frame is highlighted. You'll know you've got the frame when the entire area is outlined and its properties appear in the right sidebar. To resize, hover over one of the corner handles until your cursor changes, then click and drag. Dragging outward makes the frame larger, dragging inward makes it smaller. If you only need to adjust width or height, use the handles on the sides or top and bottom. Keep an eye on the W and H fields in the right sidebar to see the exact dimensions as you drag. A helpful tip, holding the Option or Alt key while you drag resizes from the center, which is great when you want to expand evenly in all directions without shifting your layout off to one side. As you resize, the content inside your frame may reflow. That behavior depends on constraints or auto layout settings applied to the elements within. If items don't move the way you expect, check their constraints in the right panel so they stay pinned to the edges or scale appropriately. You can also type exact width and height values in the sidebar for precise sizes, or select a preset if your frame was created with the frame tool. When you're done, zoom out to review the composition, make any final tweaks, and that's it. Figma saves automatically. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to confidently resize frames in Figma while keeping your designs tidy and consistent.